Are you using tea tree oil the wrong way? Most people aren't, that's why they don't see results. Tea tree oil can literally clear up acne, fight nail fungus, get rid of dandruff, and even improve psoriasis. But only if you know exactly when to apply it directly and when to mix it with another oil. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to use tea tree oil so you get maximum benefits without irritation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock the full healing power of this little bottle. Today, we're diving into one of my all-time favorite natural remedies, tea tree oil. It's powerful, versatile, and if used the right way, it can completely transform the health of your skin, scalp, and even your nails. But here's the thing, most people don't know how to use tea tree oil properly. They either use too much, apply it the wrong way, or don't combine it with the right carrier oils. And that's when they don't get results, or worse, they experience irritation. So in this video, I'll walk you through when to use tea tree oil directly, when to dilute it with a carrier oil, the right ratios to follow, safety precautions you should never skip, and some of my personal tips from practice. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the maximum benefits of this amazing oil. Why tea tree oil is so popular. Let's start with why tea tree oil works so well. Tea tree oil, also called melaleuca oil, is extracted from the leaves of the tea tree plant found in Australia. For centuries, people have used it as a natural medicine. It has three major properties. Antibacterial, fights harmful bacteria on the skin. Antifungal, stops fungal infections like nail fungus. Antiseptic, supports wound healing and reduces inflammation. This combination makes it a true multitasker for skin, nails, and scalp health. When to apply tea tree oil directly now? Here's where things get interesting. Most of the time, you should dilute tea tree oil, but there are a few conditions where using it directly gives the fastest and best results. Toenail fungus, apply tea tree oil directly on the infected nail once or twice daily. It penetrates the nail and helps kill the fungus. Be consistent, you may need several weeks to see real results. Acne spot treatment, if you have a pimple, just dip a cotton swab in tea tree oil and dab it right on the spot. Don't cover your whole face, just treat the acne. It reduces redness and speeds up healing. Psoriasis patches, for stubborn spots, tea tree oil can be applied directly to reduce irritation and scaling. Again, it's a spot treatment, not something to spread everywhere. These are the three big cases where direct application works well. When to mix with a carrier oil for everything else, especially general skincare, dandruff, and scalp health, you should dilute tea tree oil. Why? Because on sensitive areas, undiluted tea tree oil can cause irritation, dryness, or even rashes. Mixing it with a carrier oil makes it safe. While still powerful, some excellent carrier oils include coconut oil, great for dandruff and scalp health. Sweet almond oil, perfect for dry, sensitive skin. Olive oil, very nourishing. Grapeseed oil, lightweight, absorbs quickly. The golden ratio is simple: 1 teaspoon of carrier oil plus 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Mix it well, and then massage it into your scalp or apply it to your skin. How to use 4 different problems. Let's break it down further so you know exactly how to use it for each concern. For dandruff and scalp health, mix tea tree oil with coconut oil. Massage into the scalp. Leave for 30 minutes, then wash. Do this twice a week. It helps reduce dandruff, itching, and even promotes hair growth. For clear, shiny skin, add a few drops of tea tree oil into your face moisturizer or carrier oil, then apply to your skin. It keeps pores clean and reduces breakouts. For body odor or fungal infections, add 3 to 4 drops to your body wash or foot soak. It helps fight odor-causing bacteria and keeps feet fresh. For wounds or cuts, always dilute with carrier oil before applying. It helps prevent infection and speeds up healing. Safety first, the patch test now. This is something I always emphasize. Do a patch test. Even though tea tree oil is natural, your body can still react to it. Here's how. Mix a drop of tea tree oil with a carrier oil. Apply it on your wrist or behind your ear. Wait 24 hours. If there's no redness, itching, or swelling, you're good to use it. If there is, avoid it. Choosing the right tea tree oil. Another important point: quality matters. Not all tea tree oils are the same. Cheap, low-quality oils may be diluted or mixed with chemicals that irritate your skin. Always look for 100% pure tea tree oil. Reputable brands with good reviews. Dark glass bottles to preserve freshness. Final thoughts. So, to summarize, use tea tree oil directly only for toenail fungus, acne spots, and psoriasis patches. Dilute with a carrier oil for scalp care, skin care, and general use. Always do a patch test before trying it on larger areas. And invest in a good quality oil for the best results. Tea tree oil is truly one of nature's most powerful remedies. With the right use, it can give you clearer skin, healthier hair, and stronger nails without the side effects of harsh chemicals. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you use tea tree oil? Drop your favorite method in the comments below. It might help someone else watching this video too. That's all for today. Take care of your skin, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.